The Tecno Spark 90 is the latest budget smartphone from Tecno Mobile. Along with this Spark 90, there is also a Spark 9 Pro. This Spark 90 comes with Android 12 and a 720p display refreshing at 90Hz, amongst other exciting features. And it starts at a mid-range price of 78,000 naira or $150 US, which makes it suitable for the budget smartphone market. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. This is my unboxing of the new Tecno Spark 90. Before we start the unboxing, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and enable the post notification bell so that you'll be notified the moment I publish another video like this one. The Spark 90 is packaged in a white and orange box with a lovely texture pattern. Here we have the 4GB, 64GB Spark 90. Once again, Tecno proves that you can be kind and still produce a useful and functional device. I mean, we have the Spark 90 smartphone, an MTN Nigeria 1GB gift card, a soft silicone case, a 12+1 month warranty card, a 10W collapsible UK plug charger brick, a pair of earphones, a USB-C cable, and lastly, a SIM ejection pin. Again, Tecno is very giving, as I previously stated. The box came with earphones, which nowadays is a luxury. I'm not even talking about the included charger in the box. But unlike Tecno, there is no paperwork or manual in the box. The phone comes with a plastic screen protector already applied. It is easily scratchable anyway. This phone's design is gorgeous. It has the boxy design, which seems to be the globally accepted design for 2022. It has a 6.6-inch display with average bezels all around it, but a slightly larger chin. The display holds the drop notch that houses the 8-megapixel selfie camera. The display also has 2 LED lights and the earpiece grill is flush to the top edge. On the left side is the SIM tray that can take 2 nano SIM cards and 1 memory card. Although there is decent protection for SIM tray from water or dust, there is a red rubber ring to prevent water and dust. But still, I would be very careful to avoid getting the phone in contact with water. The power button, which doubles as the fingerprint biometric sensor, and the volume buttons are located on the right side. Now, while there is nothing on the top, the bottom holds quite a lot. The microphone, USB-C port for power and data transfer, loudspeaker grill, and 3.5mm jack for audio accessories are all located here. Tecno insists on using their patented double ring camera design on the back, and I think it's absolutely stunning and unique and original. I love how the phone's ring and body seamlessly blend together with no camera module elevation. When kept on a flat surface, this also substantially reduces the expected wobbling. There is also a quad LED flash and the usual stop at nothing mantra at the bottom right of the back. Although it is plastic, the back has a glass-like feel to it and it feels good to touch. Overall, I love the design of this phone. With a refresh rate of 90Hz for fluid scrolling, the display is an IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. However, if you want to save battery life, you can switch back to 60Hz or have the system intelligently and adaptively switch between refresh rates. This is something the more expensive Spark 9 Pro does not offer and is likely the only factor favoring the Spark 90 over the Spark 9 Pro. The display is colorful and vivid. It is sufficiently bright for use outside. I had no trouble watching content on this screen. The Spark 90 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G37, which is an 8-core processor built on a 12nm process. Although it is sufficiently powerful to deliver fluid phone operation, gaming performance, however, is lacking. There is an option to access up to an additional 3GB of RAM from the system memory, but the smartphone only comes with 4GB of RAM by default. It has 2 memory options, a 64GB and a 128GB option, and whichever one you choose or select, the performance is practically the same. For audio and connectivity and at all volume levels, the Spark 90's single loudspeaker produces good sounding music. Call and video call audio quality is adequate but not particularly impressive. The microphone also sounds decent, but it doesn't do much to cancel out background noise. Here is a quick sample. Hi guys, it's Victor here again, and this is me testing the microphone quality of the Tecno Spark 90. What do you think about this microphone quality? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah. Connectivity is also good. 5G is not here, but you get 4G even for Glow Nigeria. Only smiling is required to take photos with the Tecno Spark 90. Super night mode for nighttime photos, portrait mode, Google Lens for object recognition and QR code scanning, beauty mode, video, AI cam, and short video mode for quick social media videos are some of the features of the camera app. The main camera on the back is a 13-megapixel camera supported by a 2-megapixel depth sensing camera. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera, and here are samples from the Tecno Spark 90. The Tecno Spark 90 can shoot videos at a maximum resolution of 1080p at 30 frames per second. There is also the option to use bokeh with videos, but there is no option to turn on the image stabilization because there is no image stabilization built into this device. For this price range, the Tecno Spark 90's inclusion of Android 12 is an incredible bonus. As a matter of fact, this is the first device from Tecno, if I'm not mistaken, to come with Android 12. We are blessed with the usual bloatware and hardware from Tecno's iOS, and here we have iOS 8.6. Even with all the somewhat unwanted features packed into this UI, I believe iOS packs a lot of added value that is useful to its users. For instance, this system includes both the peek-proof and theft alert features found on other Tecno devices. On the Spark 90, Tecno also has installed its virtual assistant called Ella. I tried it with some commands. The Tecno voice assistant Ella was not so much of a disappointment, and I think with a little polish she could compete with Siri and the Google Assistant. A 5000 mAh battery inside the Tecno Spark 90 can sustain light use for 2 days or moderate use for 1 day. The 10 watts charger that comes with the device takes about 3 hours to fully charge the battery. Now, I must admit that I am a little let down, but on the plus side, it's encouraging to see that Tecno included a Type-C port on a product in this price range. I could be wrong, but I believe this is the first time it has happened, and I am super grateful for that. Now it means that we've gone past that micro USB era. For those on a tight budget but still want to own a good smartphone, I believe the Tecno Spark 90 is a great option or a good place to start. Your needs in terms of social media, movies and work can be easily met by the Tecno Spark 90. The Tecno Spark 90's excellent battery life is one of its main selling points. Some more selling points include its stylish design, a good 90Hz screen, a USB-C port and Android version 12. However, the lack of fast charging, a clean UI and a better camera arrangement spoil the thrill and excitement of using this cheap device. And that concludes my review and unboxing of the Tecno Spark 90. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it if you found it helpful or useful. Remember to watch any of the other videos I have playing right now as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.